Hello, violin and viola players. We are going to learn two new notes today. They're called F natural and C natural. But before we do that, let's start with some notes that we know. So I'm going to do some echo patterns. I'm starting on my open D, and my pattern is going to be D, E, F sharp. So echo after me. Let's do that one again. Okay, now I'm going to keep my D and my E the same, but I'm going to change what I'm doing with my second finger. Instead of reaching up for that F sharp, I'm going to put that second finger right next to my first finger, like there's a magnet between the two. So I'll give you a air view. So it goes D, E, and now they're touching F natural. Try that. And I'll bet you can hear the difference in the sound too. Let's try that again. Let's go back to our old friend F sharp. So we're going to do D, E, F sharp. So we can hear the difference. So reach up for that second finger. The magnet's gone. Echo that. And let's go back to our new note. Okay, now let's do that same thing on our A string. We're going to go right to our new note, the C natural. So just like the F natural, you're going to go 0, 1, and then your 2 is going to touch your first finger like it's magnetic. Same thing, just one string over. So we're going to go right to that new note, or C natural, right away, starting at an open A. Try that. And let's do it again. All right, I'm going to stay on my A string. This time I'm going to add a third finger. So I'm going to walk all the way up to my high D on my A string. I'm going to go A, B, the new note, C natural, and a high D. Notice how when I have my hand set up like this, I have a space between 2 and 3. We're not used to having a space between 2 and 3. We're used to having a space between 1 and 2. So you might need a little time to get used to reaching that ring finger, but you've got it. So I'm going to start on my open A, B, the new note C natural, magnet between 1 and 2, and then reach up to 3. If you have tapes on your instrument, you're going to use that same tape that you've always used for your third finger. So you're going to bypass that C sharp tape and reach up to your third finger tape. Okay, echo after me. I'm on my A string. Let's do that again. Let's do that on our D string. So you might need to do a little elbow rotation to be able to reach those. Here I go. And one more. And that's how you play F natural and C natural on your D and A strings.